What is up, YouTube? Today we are going in on a clean pair of sneakers. What pair of sneakers am I talking about? I'm talking about a pair of Jordan 3's in the Cardinal Red Colorway. Let's get into it. What is up, people? It is your boy, it's your dog, it's your brother from another mother, aka the lifestyle surgeon, aka Dr. Vassell, aka Wayne. And I've got to say to you, if you're an OG, thanks for showing your boy love. I'm sending it back to you. And if you're a newbie, well, I gotta welcome you. I gotta say welcome to Crep Check, where we check out everything crep related. And today is no different. Today I'm excited because I am going to unbox my first pair of Jordan 3's, and the pair of Jordan 3's in question is the Jordan 3's in the Cardinal Red Colorway. Let's get into it. So as you know, we like to do at Crep Check, we like to start at the box. But before I dive into the box, let's have a quick flip at what these go for if you manage to cop them at retail. So these went for the recommended retail price here in the UK for about £180, and over in the US, you're looking at around about $200. And sizing wise, again, this for me is one you should go true to size. True to size fitted me beautifully. So go to your size. Getting into the box now, I like the box. I like the box a lot. I like the kind of the off red with the white Jumpman popping, and then I like this little separation. We go from this color right into the kind of elephant-like print, which really pops against the other side. It makes me feel like this is something new, something interesting, something that I'm excited to unravel. In addition, when we go round the box, we have at the base the usual stuff about Nike's logos and trademarks, and then we have the tag. When the tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro in the white light curry Cardinal Red. In my size, UK 11. Let's waste no more time and let's pop the hood. And when we pop the hood, we are greeted by quite nice printed wrapping paper. That's a similar print to that of the box. And then when we drop that wrapping paper, we are greeted with these. Woo! Something that you guys can't appreciate as I pop these out of the box is the smell. They have that like fresh, brand new leather smell. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, Crep Check crew, now I'm back to reality. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the Jordan 3's in the Cardinal Red Colorway. Are these skippy or are these drippy? Let me know. As you know, I love to know you guys' opinion. What are my first impressions? My first impressions are, wow, I like these a lot. I like the bright white upper that has different textures of leather. I like the red, it's just sharp and really cuts nicely against the white, and the elephant print just kind of eases you in. It's really, really nice. Getting into this review proper now, if we start at the outsole features all of the colors that are on the upper. We have the red, the gray, the white. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like the way the outsole's laid out. I like the aesthetics of it, and I like the fact it's quite refined and sharp. When we come to the lateral aspect, you guys will notice that we have the embers of the outsole that is gray against the sharp white midsole, and then the window into the Air technology. Can you see me through it? You may be able to, don't know how good the camera is, but you have a window right through letting you know that your feet are going to be cushioned by that air technology. We come up to this firm but actually quite compressible plastic that goes around the lateral, posterior and medial aspect of the sneaker. That is that kind of bright, sharp red that really cuts beautifully against the white upper. We then hit the upper, the posterior lateral aspect of the sneaker. We have this beautiful elephant print leather. And as we continue up, we go straight into this kind of crocodile skin textured leather, which again feels quite premium. And then as we come up, we hit this kind of perforated leather. Going around to the anterior aspect of the sneaker, we have those proportions of leather that I mentioned, but we have this addition here, which is just a silky, smooth, firm feeling leather. When we come to the anterior aspect of the sneaker, we have the great outsole that's coming up to the toe tip, white midsole, and then we are hit by this elephant print portion, which is really nice, premium feeling, into that rim that's left over of the white leather upper, and then we hit the crocodile-like upper in the toe box region. Continuing to progress up anteriorly, we're greeted by the white shoelaces and the perforated tongue. I don't know, perforations just feel really retro, feel really precise, feel really refined, and I like it here. As we continue to come up, we have the two shoelace inlets that are different. We have this kind of triangle pattern and then the elephant print with the red hits that the laces go through. I just love the way the colors are spaced out, and then this little splash of this kind of orangey gold again just pops beautifully against the white upper. We continue up the tongue and we are greeted by that kind of orangey gold Jumpman that was featured on the most inferior portion of the shoelace inlets that again just pops. The tongue is nice and soft and compressible, going to give your forefoot lots of comfort, lots of cushioning. We come around to the ankle inlet and you notice it has this rich ruby, that's what I'm looking for, ruby red color, which really kind of brings you in, really cuts beautifully against the white of the upper. Again, as we get to the ankle inlet, there's bags and bags of cushioning. They are super, super comfy. We look inside of the insole, I don't know if you guys can see, we have that ruby red interior with the white Jumpman just dunking on you. And we come round to the posterior aspect of the sneaker and we are greeted by the colors that are found all over the sneaker. Gray, the white, nice, lovely, thick, shimmery, ruby red plastic detail that I mentioned that cuts beautifully into the elephant print with the Jumpman ear logo at the back. We continue into sharp white with the steps there, that kind of textured detail with the Jumpman also being embossed or coming out at you. It gives the posterior aspect of the sneaker just a little bit of class, that refinement. When we look at the medial aspect of the sneaker, I'm going to say to you it's very similar to the lateral aspect in the fact that we have the same kind of color blocking, just slight little differences in the thickness of the midsole and the elephant print, but other than that, pretty much the same. What are my final impressions of this sneaker? So my final impressions of this sneaker are that I really, really like these. These sneakers do feel quite heavy in hand, but these aren't the kind of sneakers you're going to want to go out and run in. A nice clean pair of jeans, sharp t-shirt, and you're out looking fresh to death. I really, really like these. Crep Check Clan, if you've enjoyed this video, do your boy a solid and drop me a like. And whilst you're there, why not just slide onto that subscribe button so you don't miss future Crep Check content. That is it. It has been a wave. I'm sending you guys the same love that you send me. Life Surge is out. Peace.